What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on how to get Blox V2. I didn't even remember that my Blox was V1 all this time, even though it's at 600 mastery and I've been using it for a while now. Obviously I already have V2 on my main and this is just my alt account. Make sure you pay attention to what I do for the quest and like and subscribe, man. First we're gonna head over to Middletown to meet with Robot Mega. Since I already interacted with him later, this is what he's saying to me. But if you guys are brand new to starting the quest, that's not what he's gonna say to you and you have to interact with him. Then he's gonna say that. Now we're gonna go and head over to Snow Island. Make sure you follow what I do.
Got kick.
Now for this step, you're gonna have to click on exactly what I click on, or else you won't be able to start the second part of the quest. Now we just have to go and find the 3 letters. To break the walls, I recommend you either use Dog Blade or Soul Guitar. Both of them work. Now this part right here is one of the most confusing parts of the puzzle, so I recommend you just break everything with either a dog blade, your fruit, or a soul guitar.
Gets kick.
Now since the letters are not physical products, you can reset your character, and after you gather the 3 letters, you're gonna have to go back to Middletown to meet with Robot Mega. Now, if you did everything correctly, after you interact with Robot Mega, he will say something weird has occurred to your Dark Blade. You can also receive this text when you upgrade to Saber V2 and Bicento V2. I'm gonna do a quick Dark Blade V2 showcase. First off, when you activate the Haki, there's gonna be this green aura surrounding your blade, which is pretty cool, much better than V1. The range on X changes and it becomes cooler, and the Z move also gets a larger hitbox. If you got time and patience on your hands, I recommend you go out for Dark Blade V3, but it's not really worth it. You're gonna have to spend a lot of time grinding, and doesn't really look much different than the V2 version. Well, that's all for today's video, man. I hope you like what you saw. Make sure you share this video with your friends. Also like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.